Hello, everybody. It's just me again, Mike Overstreet. I'm here to do another tutorial. This one's going to be on the microbit. So we're going to do a quick hello world demonstration how to program the microbit. This is the microbit by BBC. So as you can see, this is actually for a battery, reset button, USB port, micro USB port. That's important. That's how you connect it to your computer or laptop. And flip it over. This is actually the front of the board itself. These are like buttons, joystick buttons. This is a 5x5 LED little matrix there for you. So you can turn off and on, display stuff on there. And then this is for a connection down here for ground, power, and different signal imports. 0, 1, and 2. So it's really simple. This is going to be a really simple tutorial, but like I said, it's a micro USB connection to your computer or laptop. You just plug it right in, like so. First I get warnings, error messages. So it's now plugged in. Pretty simple, straightforward. Now I'm going to share my screen here. So you can see what's going on. Okay. So we're going to program it using the Microsoft Make Code for microbit. This is an online web-based GUI, programming GUI. The cool thing is that you can do block code, kind of like Scratch. And you can also program it using Python or JavaScript. Cool thing is Python and JavaScript are used by a lot of companies now, so you can, it's a great way to jump in, learn how to use JavaScript and Python. So I created a hello world file, saved it. It's saved to the .x file. Just to double check to make sure you're connected and you can download your program. Click on the lower left-hand corner of the screen where the download button is. There's those three little pairs, three little dots. So now you're going to want to pair the device. And this comes up with this little pop-up screen. So we're connected. And then we want to pair microbit. And you just click on the bottom right-hand corner, pair device. And as you can see, it pops right up there is the microbit, BBC microbit CMSIS/DAP. And then hit the connect button, highlight it, then hit the connect button. There you go. And now we can download so the microbit's not connected. Now, the other thing, cool thing you do, you can check it. And if you go into Windows File Editor, Explorer, you can actually see it listed as a microbit and then whatever drive number it gives it. In this case, it's F. So it's kind of like a USB stick, SD card shows up as. And then you can click on the details here and it'll show you whether you need to update the firmware or whatever. A little bit about the device and how it's connected. Very cool. This is all very simple stuff. My BBC has made this really simple, and then this Microsoft web-based GUI is awesome. Okay, we're just going to do a very simple hello world program. We're going to use the block code first. Basic. So I'm just going to do forever. And we got time, so we can do so. So I used the forever block. That means it just runs constantly. And then I'm going to show a string. Hello. You can actually modify the string if you want. I'll just keep it at hello. And as you can see here, it's showing you what will happen on the microbit when you download the code, which is very cool. Now, the other thing you can do is if you want to see what this code looks like, not in blocks, but in Python, click down on the down arrow, select Python, and then this is what the Python code looks like. Pretty straightforward. So it's a cool thing. You can toggle through all the different programming, the 3 different programming languages, see how that code is written. Kind of helps you learn Python and JavaScript. So we also check out what JavaScript looks like. Very cool. And we'll go back to blocks. Now, everything's connected up, and I'm going to show you how simple this is. This is it's running the default program right now. So we're going to download. Lower left-hand corner, hit the download button. Downloading. There you go. So as you can see on my screen here, it just scrolls through hello. Very simple. Let's since that took hardly any time at all, let's play around with the LEDs here. So I'm gonna trash that basic input. Let's show an icon. You pick a cool icon. It kind of looks like Pac-Man. There it goes. And you see what you want. Smiley face, and then it'll change here. So you just it's really easy. Just keep the microbit connected to your laptop, and as you code, you both check to see what it looks like on the computer, and then you can download it whenever you're done changing or modifying or whatever. You just click on the download button again. And there you go. microbit now has the new program in it. A little smiley face. So I just wanted to show you how easy and quick it is to write your first programs with the microbit. You can see the little smiley face there. So cool. So this is my first in a series of programming tips on the microbit, how to use it as a controller for robots. Just kind of get you started and get you into how to program and use the microbit. Cool. Thanks for watching.